Good morning, students. In today's video, we are going to solve question number 3 of exercise 8.1. In the previous videos, we have already studied about quadrilateral, types of quadrilateral, then the properties of a parallelogram. Now we are going to use another property here. So this is based on the property of a parallelogram. Show that if the diagonals of quadrilateral bisect each other at right angles, then it is a rhombus. So question says that the diagonals of quadrilateral, so diagonals of quadrilateral are given equal. Here is a quadrilateral A, B, C and D. If the diagonals of this quadrilateral bisect each other at right angles, bisect कर रहे each other, that means OA is equal to OC and OB is equal to OD, bisect each other, so then at right angles, that means angle AOB is 90 degree, angle BOC is also 90 degree, and similarly COD and AOD are also 90 degree. So these two diagonals bisect and bisect at right angles. So we have to prove that this quadrilateral is a rhombus. So first what you will write, given ABCD is a quadrilateral in which diagonals AC and BD bisect each other at O, at point O, that is we have OA equal to OC and OB equal to OD. Also it is given that angle AOB, BOC, COD and DOA all are equal to 90 degree. So you can say that AC is perpendicular to BD. So now to prove, what you have to prove, आपको prove करना है कि ये जो quadrilateral है ABCD is a rhombus. This is a rhombus. So now proof. Let us start with the proof. What you will do, you will first take these two triangles AOB and COB. In triangle AOB and triangle COB. Okay children, you will take first these two triangles and make them congruent. So to make the two triangles congruent, you need three parts, at least three parts. So what you will do, you will write OA equal to OC, will be the first part. OB is common side of both the triangles, and this angle AOB is equal to COB, each 90 degree. So children, you will write here like this, OA is equal to OC because it is given that diagonals bisect each other. Angle AOB is equal to angle COB, each 90 degree. And then we have OB equal to BO, this is common. So therefore by side, this is side angle and this is side angle side, congruency, triangle AOB congruent triangle COB. So therefore when the two triangles are congruent, तो CPCT में आपके पास क्या आएगा, इसका AB we get equal to BC. So therefore by CPCT AB equal to BC. So keep it first, you will take it first. Okay, now similarly we'll take another two triangles, that is BOC and DOC. We'll take another two triangles BOC and DOC. So BO equal to DO. Why? BO equal to DO you will write as given because the diagonals bisect each other. Angle BOC and angle this angle, these two angles are each 90 degree, and OC and CO is the common side of these two triangles. So by again SAS congruency, SAS congruence rule, triangle BOC congruent triangle DOC. So in CPCT, therefore by CP corresponding parts of congruent triangles, we have BC equal to CD. Okay, keep it second. So similarly, so children, similarly we can prove that this triangle COD is congruent triangle AOD. So by SAS again, so therefore by CPCT you will have CD is equal to AD. CD is equal to AD. This will be your third. So from first, second and third equation, second and third we have. So equation first is AB equal to BC. This is the first one. AB BC के बराबर, लेकिन BC CD के बराबर, लेकिन CD AD के बराबर. So you have AB equal to BC और BC किसके बराबर? CD और CD किसके बराबर? AD. So we have all the sides equal. So this, when all the sides of a triangle of a quadrilateral are equal and the diagonals bisect each other, so this is called a rhombus. So hence ABCD is a rhombus.